Today our Lori has brought us some egg toys and Peppa candies. Let's look at them. First, we have two purses with candies from Peppa Pig. The first one, it's just Peppa in here. Peppa and Susie, if I'm not mistaken. And here Peppa with George and their friends. They are playing pirates, searching for treasures. And let's open these purses. This purse we can clean to our jeans or bag. And inside we have candies. I'm sure they're very, very tasty candies. Yellow, white and one pink color. We will try them later. Then let's open this friendly purse, and inside we'll find again some yellow and white candies. Now let's open our eggs. The first one, the biggest, it's in Play-Doh, purple color. And inside its collection Minion from the cartoon Despicable Me. And we have a game here. Let's open our box. Inside the box we find some cards. Let's look at them. Cards. So as I understand, we have to tear off this card, cut it into two pieces like here. Just a second, I'll show you. And then we'll have to find what suits, like here or not. Yes, like this. They have to fit. I think so. But here they're different. No, they're the same. Yes, they have to fit here. They have to fit. So there are a lot of cards here. You see, so many. Then let's open another egg, the blue one. Inside we'll find a pink egg. I'm sure there are some candies inside. Let's open it. And here is the sticker of Angel Cat Sugar. Inside we have this angelic cat with even wings like an angel, flowers and crown. And you can put this toy on your phone or bag. Very nice toy. And as well, we can find some tasty candies here. They smell very nice. Let's open another egg in Play-Doh. First we have to unwrap it. What's inside? Oh, it's Disney Planes number 7 sticker. Then it's a kind of token. It's the main hero. I don't remember his name, but I know that he is the main hero of the cartoon. And you see, there is a clipper You can put it on your t-shirt or any piece of clothes you want. And again, you find some candies here. A lot of candies. And the last egg. Let's see what we have here. Again, we have to take off our Play-Doh. And again, a pink egg. And what is inside? Oh, look, it's Minnie. Yes, it's Collection Disney Minnie. The candies smell delicious. And let's look at the candies. They're hearts. And here is Minnie. Again, this thing you can put wherever you want to. Bag, clothes. And you will have this Minnie toy. And so many candies in different eggs. See? And the last ones. So now let's look at all our toys once again. Let me show you closer. That's it. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe.